This is day 2 on my vlog. So as you can see that there's nobody around here. Yesterday this was like full and today it's like very empty. I've got some guys here who are doing the thing with me. So yeah, and the particular place I was sitting beforehand, that is the particular place. It's also like closed. So first thing is like happy Diwali guys. My name is Nikhil for the people who don't know me, and you're watching DOL vlogs, that is Dignity of Labor vlogs. And now guys, for this particular day we are going to be serving a lot of people who haven't cooked their food at home yet. So let's do this guys for this day and see how this day goes. Cheers guys. So guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. We've got a senior partner here and he's gonna particularly tell us some wise words for the people who think that some jobs are meager and some jobs are don't. Like some jobs are white collar jobs, some jobs are blue collar jobs and so on. So let's see. There's a lot of crackers bursting here. So I'm with the senior partner.
Hi
sir.
मेरा नाम धनंजय राव है, मैं एक जोमेटो राइडर हूँ और मुझे जोमेटो का काम करते हुए अभी कम से कम 2 साल हो गए हैं और मैं एक वीडियो गेम की तरह इस काम को करता हूँ और लोगों को भी इंस्पायर करना चाहता हूँ कि इस काम को काम की तरह ना लेकर एक एंजॉय की तरह लेकर वीडियो गेम की तरह भी ये काम को किया जा सकता है और अपनी फैमिली का और अपने दोस्तों का और अपने साथी राइडरों का भी सपोर्ट किया जा सकता है। जोमेटो एक ऐसा काम है जो कि ऑनलाइन गेम की तरह है और आप एक ऑनलाइन गेम की तरह इस काम को कर एंजॉय के साथ साथ एक इनकम भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
सो गाइस, ही वाज द गाय, ही हैज बीन डूइंग इट फॉर लाइक 2 years. भी आप 2 साल से कर रहे हैं ना?
बिल्कुल सर, 2 साल से मैं कर रहा हूँ।
So he has been doing it for 2 years guys, and he doesn't think that it's a meager job or it's a less job from any other particular jobs. So yeah, follow him on Instagram. सर आपका Instagram बता दीजिए।
इंस्टाग्राम तो अभी है नहीं सर मेरे पास, लेकिन ईमेल आईडी वगैरह है। इंस्टाग्राम में अभी मेरे पास नहीं हूँ मैं।
Okay, so he's gonna particularly make a new Instagram ID. We're gonna help him make a new Instagram ID and let's get him onto the particular platform guys. Cheers. Cheers sir.
बाय दोस्तों। और काम कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, हर काम बहुत अच्छा होता है और जोमेटो जैसा काम आपको दोबारा कभी नहीं मिलेगा।
So guys, have you already heard it? It's not gonna particularly come to you. You have to go to that particular job, do that and make a living out of it. So all of us who are working here right now have got some things to say. Hi friends.
हाय,
Happy Diwali तो बोल दो यार।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
Cool. So अब बाकी सबका तो त्योहार है पर अपना तो रोजगार
है
और कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता फ्रेंड्स, कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता। And we're gonna do it tonight also. So let's see how it goes. Cheers guys. Cheers guys. So hi guys, this is my second day on Zomato. I've been to the waiting area. There are not many people there. So the thing which we are gonna do is this. We're gonna wait here for some time, and if we don't get any orders, we're gonna go to the next location which I got to the previous one in the previous video. So yeah, we're gonna do it, and today let's particularly show them that ये आपका त्योहार है पर ये कुछ लोगों का रोजगार भी है फ्रेंड्स। तो इस चीज़ को प्लीज़ छोटा बड़ा मत बोलिए, मत सोचिए इसके बारे में कुछ छोटा बड़ा, बिकॉज people are dying of hunger and the government is not going to do anything. Any other guy is not going to do anything. They have to particularly win their own bread and feed their families. So this is the thing guys, we're going to do it today also. So let's see how it goes, and I need some tea. चाय नहीं है यार, सब बंद है यहाँ पे आज, तो ठीक है, देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स। Cool, bye bye, cheers guys. I've got my first order for the day. Let's go. Yay, happy birthday. Sorry for guys, I've reached the first location. This is the shawarma wala, as you can see here. So they've got amazing shawarmas here. So if you want to eat any shawarma rolls, come to this place. It's near to the Kotwali in Smriti Nagar, just beside it. So cheers guys, I'm gonna go and let's get the order to its place. Cheers guys. So guys, this is the place, the shawarma wala, and they've got some crazy shawarmas over there. So happy Diwali bhaiya. Happy Diwali. Bye bye. So guys, hi. I've reached the first location, the first order, second day, and I've already called the customer. So I'm just gonna wait for some time till that particular customer comes to me and I can hand him over this delicious food, guys. So cheers. So guys, I've delivered my first order for the second day, and it's Dignity of Labor Vlogs. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get my next order soon. So let's wait for it. I'm gonna go to the waiting area again, and I'm gonna wait for that particular next order, which I may get. I hope that I get. So guys, cheers. So guys, I'm back to the waiting area again, as you can see right behind me. So Havya, this is the new guy. We have started this day. So this is the new guy. He's just started this day. तो bro, आपने क्यों चालू किया है काम?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है भाई, पार्ट टाइम काम है मेरा और इसके अलावा भी इसमें अच्छा खासा निकल जाता है खर्चा इसका। और बहुत बढ़िया भी काम है भाई, कोई
बढ़िया काम है कि नहीं?
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया काम है, इसलिए किसी के अंडर काम नहीं करता, जो भी काम करता हूँ मैं टेंशन से जीता हूँ। अच्छा लगता है किसी के काम में जाओ तो 10 गाली सुनना नहीं पड़ता, यहाँ अपनी मर्जी से सब अच्छे से बात करते हैं। यहाँ पे कस्टमर हो चाहे अपने आपसी आदमी हो, कोई भी हो,
तो मज़ा आ रहा है, मतलब
मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है।
नाइस। तो आज ये दिवाली के दिन भी काम कर रहे हैं, तो इज गॉट अ वेरी नाइस वर्क एथिक गाइस। सो चीयर्स टू दिस। कूडोस ब्रो, कूडोस। इसके ऊपर अपन एक तो मस्त वाला क्राउन लगाएंगे सर पे, मस्त। तो नाइस ब्रो, यू गॉट एन ऑर्डर। So guys, he's got an order, so he's gonna go and collect his order and particularly deliver it to the other guys. So yeah, basically right now we are only 3 people here, and other people who are here with me, they've already got some orders, so they've gone again to particularly deliver their orders. So guys, let's wait for some time and see if we get the next order. Cheers guys. So guys, I've got the second order for the day, second order. Let's do this. I've reached the particularly second restaurant. For my second order, it's gonna be a multi-order. So I've got 2 orders to pick up, and then after that, I'm gonna particularly go to the people who ordered it for. So guys, apart from that, so guys, till then we're gonna check out the particular place. It's called the Momo Delight. Let's see how it is. This is the particular place where I've got my second multi-order from. So let's check out this place. They've got 40 varieties, as it's written on there. So they've got Sigdi Dosa as well. So it's just on the particular main road from Agrasen Chowk, and they've got Sigdi Dosa as well. So this is the particular place guys, and this is Momo Delight here. They've got an amazing space here. This is a very good decor, as you can see. Hi Bhaiya. Hi Bhaiya. So guys, this is the place. This is Momo Delight at Nehru Nagar. Order online on Zomato guys. They've got some Sigdi Dosa, and I think this is the place where they actually make dosas. So you can see the menu here. This is the menu, and they've got juices, shakes, mocktails and sodas. They also serve tea, coffee, soft drinks and sandwiches. They've got a lot of food guys, so if you want to really have some good food, you can come here. They've got some Momo Delight specials, and it's quite good. This is the place guys. Hi Bhaiya. Happy Diwali Bhaiya. So guys, as you can see, it's a very good place. They've got a lot of lighting here. And let's zoom out. Okay, cool. So guys, this is the place. this is Momo Delight for you. It's in Nehru Nagar, and you can come here or order online. They've got very good places. So guys, I've talked to the owner. He's like he's very busy right now. It's very rush hour. So I particularly asked him that if we can talk, but he's like 1 घंटे बात करते हैं भैया. So it's gonna be good, cool. I'm gonna waiting here for the next order. I've got 2 orders from here. So let's see how it goes, guys. Cheers. जैसे तेरा मैं वैसे मेरा So guys, dosa is already plated. It's gonna get some cheese over it. Looks delicious, but I'm on my diet, so I can't eat it. I hope you enjoy your meal, sir. नहीं, मैं diet से diet. So guys, I've got my 2 orders from this place. This was very hectic for me and for the restaurant partner as well. People have been calling him and me also. So I'm gonna go to that particular place, deliver my order. I've lost my keys. Found it. So guys, I'm gonna go and let's see if I reach that particular place on time. Cheers, guys. So guys, I've arrived at the first location, and now I'm gonna call them and wait so that they'll particularly come up to me and I can give them the good food, and then I've got to go to the next place. So cheers, guys. So guys, I've called to the particular customer. He's gonna come out and I'm gonna deliver the order to him, and then I've got to go to sector 10, which is quite far from here, so I'll have to do it fast. And that particular girl who has ordered the second order is like very furious at the restaurant owner. He's just called me that where's the order, kind of that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna particularly give this order to this customer, and then I'm gonna go. I'm getting a call, guys. So bye bye. Okay, guys. So I've particularly delivered my first order to the guy, and I'm gonna go to the second order. So cheers. Be my third order, second multi order. I'm at the location. I'm gonna call the customer and serve some smiles. I've completed my third order for the day. I got my first order, that was a single order, and the next 2 orders which I got were multi orders. So first one I particularly delivered before, and the third order, the second order of the multi order, I've done it right now. So let's go back to the waiting area and see if I can particularly get some more orders, guys. I hope I can get some more orders because I need content. So guys, I'm back at the waiting area. I don't know if I'm gonna get any orders or nothing, so I'm just gonna wait. And I've completed 3 orders. This is my second day. Let's hope for the best, guys. Cheers. So guys, this is my 4th order for the day, and I'm at Mouth Melters, as you can see. This is at Chauhan Town, and I've been to this place for the first time, and I'm gonna deliver from this place for the first time. So let's see where the order is and let's go to that particular place. Cheers guys. So guys, this is Mouth Melters. As you can see, it's a very compact space. This is a house run kitchen, I guess. And we've got some time, I guess. So this is the place guys. It's in Chauhan Town. This is the society. It's still under construction somewhat. So this is the place. And let's see what happens next guys. So guys, I've got the order and I'm gonna go to the particular place. It's at Anustha Residency. I've never been there too. So let's see what happens next guys. Cheers. So guys, I've delivered the food and I don't know where I parked my bike because I'm quite lost right now. Okay, I found my bike guys, so I'm gonna go to the waiting area and let's see if I can get any more orders this time. So cheers guys. So guys, I'm back at the waiting area. There's nobody here. I'm the only guy. I think I don't know, I'm at the wrong waiting area or somebody's like on another waiting area. So let's see guys if I can get any more orders for today. And if I won't get any orders, I'm gonna go to my friend's place so that I can enjoy for this day, because I've been working quite hard for this day because everybody has been... Okay, I've got a guy here. So, hi bro.
हाय ब्रो,
कैसा हो गया फिर? कितना ऑर्डर किया आज?
ये तीसरा था अभी,
हाँ हाँ,
कैंसिल हो गया।
अरे बाप रे,
वापस आना पड़ा।
कैंसिल हो गया क्यों?
हाँ कैंसिल हो गया, वो क्या टाइम
समझ गया,
ज़्यादा।
देखो एक और एक आ गया आपका.
हाँ ये तो आ गया।
So guys, he's got another order. He's gonna go, I guess. कहाँ का है?
वहीं का फिर से वापस।
वहीं का वापस? कहाँ? मोमो डिलाइट?
नहीं नहीं,
वाव रेट्रो किचन.
वाव
तो ये तो मैं भी नहीं गया आज तक.
इस रोड पे ही है।
हाँ, चले जाओ फिर. मेरे को तो नहीं मिल रहा अभी फिलहाल. और देखो,
टाइम ज़्यादा लग जाएगा फिर से वहाँ पे।
हाँ ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा
बहुत
है.
ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है वहाँ पे।
तो जाके देख लो एक बार. कैंसिल
देखते
मत
हैं.
करो बिकॉज आपका रेटिंग वो खराब हो जाएगा ना फिर.
जाके देखता हूँ।
चलो फिर कल मिलते हैं. ये तो यहीं मैं रुका हूँ.
ठीक है ठीक
ठीक है.
है। आप आए ऑर्डर करके?
मैं अभी 4 ऑर्डर कर दिया. मैं 4 गाइस कर दिया ऑर्डर. भाई ने कितना किया ब्रो? दो कर दिया भाई ने.
कैंसिल।
भाई का 2 कंप्लीट है, कैंसिल है. वो जो कैंसिल कर दिया उसको जान देते. एक भाई का नया आ गया है, तो इज गोना गो. सो ब्रो, मिलते हैं वापस. पैम टाड़ा. हैप्पी दिवाली वंस अगेन. जितने बार मिलेगा उतनी बार बोलूंगा. सो गाइस, आई एम नॉट गोना गेट एनी ऑर्डर्स राइट नाउ. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम गोना गेट एनी ऑर्डर्स और नॉट. So let's see if I'm gonna get any orders, and if I get any orders, I'm gonna complete them, and if I don't get any orders, I'm gonna go to my friend's place to party. Yeah, because मेरी भी दिवाली है यार. त्योहार सबका है. थोड़ा मेरा रोजगार हो गया आज का, but okay, cool. We've got some time left on us, so let's see what we can do for this day. Cheers guys, have a nice day. So guys, 5th order for the day. I've got the 5th order, so let's crack it. So guys, I'm gonna start riding to the next place. So let's see where life takes me. So guys, I've arrived at the location and I don't know where I need to go. So let's pick up the order and then go to the next place. Cheers guys. So guys, I'm back again. This was my first order for the day and this is gonna be the last order I guess. They're gonna pack it up and then I'm gonna go from this place. If you wanna see, this is the way. They've actually got it out and okay, I've got to pick up the order. Bye guys. So guys, if called customer, he's gonna come out of his house. So I'm gonna wait up until then. Look at the nice view, guys. Right? of crackers here, and there as well, and here as well, and there as well. Bam, bam. I can't particularly do it all day, right? So guys, I've delivered the last order which I've got. It's already 10:30 and most of the restaurants are closed, and some restaurants are open, but there are a lot of people out there who really need to earn to particularly win their bread. I'm not doing it for money. I'm doing it to particularly help other people get inspired and particularly show that there is dignity of labor and no particular deed is big or small. So guys, I'm gonna be signing off for today because today is Diwali, and I'm gonna go chill with my friends for 1.5 hours or so, and then after that I'm gonna go home. So the other particular delivery partners which are there actually doing their job, I really am very proud of them, and I respect them from the bottom of my heart that they are doing this, that they're actually getting some food, and quite tasty food, guys, to a lot of hungry people out there who want those crazy food, right? So guys, this is me signing off. Take care, bye bye, happy Diwali once again. Tada. Home sweet home, guys, home sweet home. So I'm gonna be back again tomorrow night with the new vlog. Cheers, bye bye guys, good night.